Hello code in Emacs Lisp. First I'm going to create a new file. Going to save it hello.el. So hello.el. So el will be the extension of my Emacs Lisp. I'm going to write one instruction, which is print. Print what? Print the message hello world. I'm going to use the print between parentheses, save the file, and then to run my script I'm going to write Emacs script with the script option, followed by the file name or the current name of my code. So the code is in the hello.el file, so I'm going to run this code, and here is the hello world message printed on the console. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.